Does eBay have a magical button that employees can click if you call them to refresh your store and give you instant sales? Let's talk about it. Yeah, what's going on, Rockstars? October 28th, 2023, and there is this myth, this urban myth that floats around Facebook groups and Instagram all the time, YouTube, about a secret refresh button or reset that eBay employees can do to your eBay store if you call them or have them call you, where it will basically push your store into sales extravaganzas. And this gets asked all the time in the face, at least in my Facebook group, I've seen it in others. How do we get the eBay employees to do this? Who do we call? Who do we talk to? Is it true? How much does it help? Blah, 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 blah. The truth is, guys, it's an urban myth. I don't even know where it came up or how it came up. It had to be people calling in eBay and employees giving them bad information, because I have talked to umpteen eBay employees at all these conferences I've been to over the years, and none of them can confirm, and none of them even know half the time what I'm talking about when I say it, and some of them have heard of it and told me it's just a flat out lie. Everything I've heard, it's a myth. Look, there's no secret button that eBay could just press and then all of a sudden your store sells 50 items. If there was, people would be blowing up their phones day after day after day after day. I'm not gonna say people haven't called eBay and asked like, hey, can I get a refresh? And then all of a sudden they start getting some sales coming in. Is it a coincidence? Absolutely possible. Is it the fact that they're now paying attention to their store and putting time and effort into their store and all of a sudden that caused sales? Because that would make perfect sense. It could be a number of things. Who knows? We don't know. But I can tell you there's no magic like red button that they're just click, 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 and your sales come on. It's a myth, guys. The only secret, which is not a secret to eBay sales, is consistently listing good items at good prices. That's it. Three-prong attack. Consistent, good items, good prices. If you're consistently listing, you're keeping eBay's algorithm active, you're keeping it alive, you're also putting out fresh new inventory to your buyer. So of course, obviously, being up in the algorithm helps, having new fresh inventory helps, and if it's good inventory, bam, you're gonna sell stuff because people are looking for it. The obvious comes into play with pricing. Even if you have the best items and you price them at $1 million, no one's gonna buy them. So you gotta start with having the algorithm, having the good items, but you also gotta price them fairly. The economy's tough right now. People don't have a lot of money, and things that used to sell for 50 bucks are selling for 45 or 40. I'm never, ever going to justify racing to the bottom, but you also have to be reasonable and you have to read the economy around you and be fair and make offers and run sales and do what you have to do to keep inventory moving through. It's a lot of the reason everyone's using Whatnot and live sales, giving up a lot of profit to just keep inventory rotating and keeping that cash flow coming in. And that's why we talked about that volume, you know, the fast nickel over the slow dime. So something to think about. But anyways, that's the secret. There's no secret on-off button for your store, guys. There's also myths that eBay throttles your sales and does other things. If you get defects and you're being a bad seller, you're not shipping stuff, you're not doing stuff, yes, you will definitely get throttled and you'll get pushed out in the algorithm. But outside of that, eBay is not waking up one morning to people that are doing perfectly good sales and saying, we're turning your store off today. Off, it's just not happening, guys. Take those same stores that are complaining about that, throw 10 iPads or iPhones on their stores, they'll sell them all in the same day and they'll go, oh, I guess my store's not turned off. It's a myth as well, guys. So secret, list good items, list them consistently and price them well. You'll sell stuff. Stop worrying about hitting, everybody wants that easy answer, that quick dollar, that get rich quick. Press that button and my store will get turned on. Not true, guys. Anyways, you want to keep consistently listing? Use our service, ProEcommercelister@gmail.com, ProEcommercelister.com with discount code RSF15. We'll keep your listings up every single day. We're working 7 days a week now, including the weekends, to get your listings up. You take photos, you send them to us, we make the listings for you. Go check out the website in the description box, use the discount code, and we'll make sure your store actually gets sales and you don't have to wait around for some fake button to turn your store on. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your weekend, be safe, and I will talk to everyone next time.